This is another Christian that has no scripture. No scripture.
Came up here with a Bible and you can't pull one verse out of it.
Bring it out. Bring it out. Hey, Zach. Hey,
Chapter 7 and verse 38.
Joshua 10.
He that believeth on me.
He that believeth on me, as the scripture has said.
Out of his belly. Shall flow rivers. So, do you have a scripture yet, boys? Because we're going to give one to you.
Do you mean that Jesus Christ is God?
That's one. That's one.
So, are you going to produce your column, brother? You said we're in here and you still haven't given us one scripture.
Right.
You out here